Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing one more Instagram inspired makeup video. I'm doing this series on my channel where I'm recreating a look that I found on Instagram. It's really fun. So far I've done 2 of these and today I'm filming the third one. I'm actually really excited for today's one because I'm gonna be recreating a look by somebody that I've been admiring for a very long time. I discovered this girl probably about a year ago and her work is mind-blowing, guys. She's absolutely amazing. Her Instagram name is Lucinda212. I'm gonna have it right here. Also, link is going to be down in the description box. Go check her out. She's doing art on her eyelids. So today I'm gonna be recreating this. Oops, no. This look. Now this is one of her toned down looks. Okay, she's doing some crazy stuff and I love all of them. I feel like I can attempt to do that. I'm gonna try my best. Obviously it's a little bit more complicated, but it's really colorful, so let's go ahead and get started. She posted this last year actually. Wow, that was a while ago. I'm not gonna follow the tutorial that she did. I'm just gonna look at the photo and just try to recreate it. So I'm gonna start off by the crease colors. First, let me find a brush. Oh my god, my neighbors hate me. Let's start off with this purple shade here. I'm gonna take it on an angled brush. This is the Sigma E65. Oh, I said that so weird. And this is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. Oh my goodness. This is exciting and it's scary. I just needed to zoom in a little bit. She has like a cut crease. Like this is like a triple cut crease. Oh my goodness. What did I got myself into? I'm gonna start off by kind of like cutting my crease here. The cut crease is not like just one color, it's like 50 different colors. Then I'm gonna move on to the pink. Let's take this shade here. Orange, yellow, green, and blue. Okay, so something like this. I feel like this is a pretty good guideline, but there is so much more work. Let's go ahead and kind of build up the colors. So again, I'm gonna start off with the purple, pink, yellow, all of them. I'm just gonna try to start blending them and making them look good. I'm slowly starting to regret my decision. I just realized that this look requires like 85 brushes. I did this eye off camera. I like how it's turning out. This one still needs a lot of work, so I'm just gonna speed through that because I feel like it's really time consuming, but I'm gonna let you guys see what I'm doing. I'm actually switching to the Makeup Geek Power Pigments because they're more pigmented and I don't need to like spend a lot of time building up the colors. I'm using the yellow and the green eyeshadow from that BH Cosmetics palette because they're nice and bright. The amount of brushes that I will need to wash after filming this video makes me worried. Every color, different brush. Okay, so let's say that the crease is okay. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to go back and do some touch-ups later on, but right now I'm just gonna move on to something else. Let's do the white line here. I guess I'm gonna use some concealer and then on top of it I'm gonna add some white eyeshadow. Oh my god. Imagine if you need to do this look every morning before you go to work. You will be exhausted before the day even begins. Okay, hand, just don't fail me now. Here is the part where my hand just randomly decides to get really shaky. Sending my prayers to all of the makeup gods. Here we go. I'm actually using a gel eyeliner by Ofra. Guys, I can't talk. I'll just put some music here. this was difficult. So what I was trying to tell you is that I'm using a white eyeliner by Ofra. This is called White Rabbit. Mine is a little bit dry. It's not very creamy. I had it for a while, but it works perfectly for what I'm doing today. Now, what are we doing next? Let's do the lid color. Oh my goodness, look at my eyes. It's so colorful. I'm gonna start off with the blue and I'm gonna work my way towards the outer corner where the purple is going to be. So I'm taking some of this blue pigment by Makeup Geek. Then I'm taking this light blue shade here. This is the first time that I'm doing this look. I haven't practiced at all before I started recording this video, and I mean, that's the fun part of this recreating an Instagram inspired makeup look videos. I'm always unprepared for them. There's just so much suspense. Oh, okay, I didn't notice that. So see, there is a gap on the eyelid right here. She didn't use any eyeshadow there, or maybe she used a white shadow, but you can definitely tell that, you know, there is no color in this area here. I haven't noticed that before I started creating this look. Like, oh my god, wow. Alright, that's getting interesting. We're slowly getting there, very slowly. This look is very time consuming. Look how greasy my face got. This is how long it's taking me. My foundation starts to look really gross at this point. But I think that we're on a good way. From the experience with eye looks that I have, I think that we're on a good way. Dramatic looks like that, they require a lot of patience. And that girl, guys, that girl, she has ton of patience. She has more than an average human needs. Anyways, be right back. I'm gonna go fill my belly with some good fuel, and I'm gonna be back. Be right back. Okay, so if you watch my previous video, you will know that for me it's a struggle to create a tiny baby winged eyeliner. I'm having difficulties with those. I'm always ending up with a regular sized winged eyeliner. Sometimes I'm getting it from the first time and it looks great, but most of the times I'm not that lucky. So what makes me really worried right now is that, look at that tiny baby wing that she created. There is just no going back. Oh no! No! Come on! Really now? Great. Sweet. I think I'm gonna cover that area with white eyeliner, so it's not a big deal, I hope. We'll see. She also outlined like you're gonna see. I also did the white line on top of the eyeliner. I outlined the crease. Now it's time to do some dots. Look how many dots! I'll use different eyeliners for these. These, oh my god. Ooh, this was dripping. This one is by Makeup Forever. Next is the green one. I'll use this eyeliner by Ofra, but I don't really have... I need to get creative now because I don't have a small tiny tool that will help me do the dots. So I'm gonna use just a bobby pin. Oh, it does an amazing job. Moving on to the yellow. I love the dots. I think that they make this look so much more fun. And by the way, look at my hand after creating all of those dots. Some green, some yellow, some red, pink, whatever you want. Pick a color. I have it on my hand. These are lashes by Morphe. They're called Posh and they're quite long, so I like to kind of curl them with my lash curler. That way they're not like looking straight up, but instead they're a little bit more curled and they're looking like up. They look a lot better on the eyes if they have a little bit of a curve. Okay, I think I did a pretty good job with the wing though. Here is a shot where she has her eye open and she used similar colors along the lower lash line as on the crease and on the lid, so let's follow that. And I see that she also added some black right here. I'll just use this black shade here from that BH Cosmetics palette. Okay, now I'm adding some mascara on my lower lashes. I did the dots which were under the lower lashes, under the eyes, on the under eye, in the under eye area. Anyways, I did them off camera. It was nothing really difficult. I mean, the dots are the easiest part from the entire look, so I think... Oh, wait, hold on. There is blue glitter. Oh my god, right here. I forgot about it. And in the inner corner... No, I'm not skipping the glitter. Hold on. I have this glitter here by Milani. So I'm just gonna take it on the back of my hand, as I do with every product. And then with a small brush like this one, I'm gonna place it right there in the inner corner. And in the third act, I'm gonna add this glitter here by Smolder. It's called Ice Princess. I'm using a very small amount, that's why I'm not adding glitter glue. What do you guys think? I think that it's pretty similar. The color is maybe a little bit different, but I mean, we're using different products, that's okay. I think that I could have done a better job right here in the inner corner where the blue eyeshadow is. I think that I could have made it better because I don't know, it's not really similar to hers in this area here. How the things are placed are just a little bit more different. Like, I should have definitely followed the tutorial that she did, but I didn't want to follow a tutorial today. I wanted to see a photo of a look and try to recreate it. I think that that's a little bit more fun, you know, trying to figure out myself how to do the things. But I'm really happy with how it came out. It was definitely a challenge. I was challenged today a lot. It's 11:30 p.m. I feel sad because I spent so much time on this look, and at some point I will need to go to bed tonight, so I will need to wash it off. And you know, it's just, I don't want to see my makeup going down the sink. It's so sad for me. Especially if it's such a beautiful look. Like, oh my goodness, so colorful. I haven't worn something that colorful, I don't know, for ages. From my experience as a creator and from making these kind of videos where I'm recreating Instagram looks, Instagram makeup can be so difficult sometimes. It can be so time consuming, but it was such a challenge for me. This look is so complicated, but I love it. It was a torture, but in a good way, you know. I was suffering, but I was enjoying it. I don't know how she's coming up with so creative looks. And by the way, guys, oh my goodness, if you see how many brushes I needed to create this look, you're gonna be like, what? This is not even funny. I need to wash this now. All of these, like, that's insane. That's more than 20 brushes. I think that the reason that I needed so many brushes is that I used so many different colors, so I couldn't use one brush for doing multiple things because I would mix up the colors and it would not be nice. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Definitely go check her out. Again, a link to her Instagram is going to be down in the description box. Let me know if you'd like to see more videos like that. I love doing those. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to press that bell button right next to the subscribe button, because that way you're gonna be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. All of the links will be down in the description box. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!